invincible. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday, FOMC day. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Markets have been moving overnight. Merving, as they say. You see, ES all started off all the way down at 7,009. Got all the way up to 7,043, so that's 34 points in range. NQ, I have my chat window over top of it. Sorry about that. 0.58 all the way up to 349. Got within like 30 points of an all-time high. Didn't quite get there. Whoops. So almost 300 points in range there. Copper.
Target filled.
Wow. Excuse me. Sorry. Bot's doing some fun stuff. Copper. About 200 ticks in range. Ultra Bond. About 3/4 of a point in range. Gold, another new all-time high. Not only did it hit 5,200, it hit 5,300. Absolutely insane. New all-time high, 5,306. 151 points in range. Crude oil also doing things, getting up to highs it hasn't seen in a while. Looks like that had a little over 100 ticks. Natural gas, big fall from where it was, but still doing well. And Bitcoin just not really getting any oomph. It is slightly just under 90K. So that's really sits down to whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this FOMC day. My bot just took a trade off the blue candle. I thought for sure it was too high up. It was not too high up. And it's still going. See, I traded last night and not well. But well, wait, I'm sorry, I got the wrong P&L in there. Give me a minute. Please hold. Here we go.
Order filled.
And Q chopping around here. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Hey, Paul. That's a good one, Paul. Uh, it's currently 0 degrees here in Decatur, Illinois, although they do want it up to 20 today. Oh, wow. One for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready now for. Don't you step on my blue suede shoes. We see gold trying to pull down. Probably. Hey, off my desk. Come on. No, no, no. Come on. No, off my desk. Come on. Thank you. I should have taken the short on gold there. I didn't. Right now, I'm not really trusting any shorts on gold, so it's kind of how I got into that trouble you see on the no lady on the P&L right now. Last night. But yeah, that would have been a great trade. Dang. Nice, Paul. Time do you start trading, Paul? Oh, wow. And when do you stop? Wow. That doesn't burn you out? Okay. I wasn't like, questioning you. I was just genuinely curious because I know I used to love to. At first, I loved to try and trade all day, and then I started kind of getting to the point where I didn't want to look at the chart for a while, and then it came back. So,
Order filled.
What the heck did it fill on? I must have been a stop, right? Yeah, it's a stop. Okay. Confused for a second there. Hey, JJR, how you doing? With trading, we're all in the states. A state of anxiety, a state of despair. And Q being a choppy mess. Logic DOS. 20 accounts is hard. Blue candle popping again on NQ. This is my definition of chop right here. That doesn't mean someone on a 1-minute chart could not be taking advantage of this, but for me, you see how every candle of the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles has touched the 9. That's chop to me. Now, if we go to a 1-minute chart, I'm sure that there was probably a nice, there was a nice short opportunity on the 1 minute. I could have got about 20 points out of that, but
Order filled.
and it just took the long off that blue candle. I'm letting it take it in chop only because it's only on 1 micro. I'm not personally taking that trade. Hey, Sire, how's it going? Good gold popping back up. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. I saw they were going back down. That's a wild ride that natural gas was on. Gold still trying to push up. Ugh. I don't know. Paul, I read where they think there's going to be another major polar vortex in February, plunging half the country into the same temperatures we're seeing now. So it might get a second round, especially if we get another huge storm, which they're saying is possible. All right, guys, the market's doing nothing, so I'm going to grab a quick nap. Wake me when it starts moving. No, I'm kidding. So our all-time high on NQ, hold on, is 26,399. We got within 50 points of that last night. Be interested to see whether it tries to push back up to there. Yeah, that snowstorm, or well, snowstorm, ice storm, etc., that just hit, the models were showing that as a possibility up to 3 weeks before. I mean, obviously, they're 3 weeks out. It's not. It's not like they can say, "Oh, there's an 80% chance it's going to happen" or anything like that. It's just they start to watch for it.
Order filled.
Okay, so the NQ trade got stopped out on. If I had had that on a regular size contract, I would never have allowed it to be taking those trades in the chop. That should make Intel stock happy. Purple candle forming here on gold. I'm watching it. Kind of interested. It's floating. I like floaters. Unless they're in a bay, dead.
Order filled.
Oh, it took the gold trade. I probably should have. It's kind of getting all to sleep there. Yikes.
Order filled.
I didn't want to take it on. Well, I guess I did. Am I logged in right? I hope. Where am I? Yep, I am. Good. Something doesn't seem right. Ah, crap. Something's wrong with my data. Or something happened right as I entered that trade. My chart froze. I think it's going to hit my target. My NinjaTrader froze. Okay. I'm going to get out of that trade. I think it's working, but I'm frozen. Shows I only got one tick on that. What happened there? What the hell happened? Yeah, my NinjaTrader froze. Great. That was a great trade. And it's weird because the bot trade is still in its trade. I'm going to get out of its trade. I'm going to try to anyway. And now I got to restart Ninja. That sucked. Hey, JC, how you doing? So me and the bot were both right on that trade, but I got a little screwed there. Unless it took the trade. Wait, I don't like the fact that it said order filled as I brought up NinjaTrader. Show me okay, hold on. Oh, okay. That could have been why. Apparently, gold had a rollover. I wasn't aware of. Maybe. Oh, it still thinks I'm in a trade. Oh boy. Let's see if I can get flat. It's still showing unrealized P&L. That would have been a great trade. I don't know what's going to happen here. Try to reactivate my... Everything reactivated, so I don't know what's going to happen. I've hit flat. It's not showing anything going flat, but it doesn't show me actually an actual moving trade, so I don't know what's up. I guess we'll see. Just sucks that I missed this trade. Oh, so maybe it wasn't me. Maybe it was Tradovate. Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, now I'm frozen. At least my gold chart's frozen. Is everything else frozen? Yeah, I'm frozen. All right, so now we're in a holding pattern. I guess I'll bring up topstep. Wouldn't even think of it. NASDAQ continuing to fall. If anyone sees their Tradovate come back, let me know, please. And thank you. Cost me a great gold trade there. Gold cuts through its 100 EMA. And now we're just gonna sit back and watch. I do have gold ready to go on Top Step. I guess I could also bring up MNQ there as well. Interesting looking bounce here. No, I have not been copy trading all the funded accounts daily. Going to start, especially if the bot test continues to work out. Now, my bots obviously aren't running right now because of Tradovate, but the bot tests are looking really good. Tradovate is down, yes. Completely frozen. I mean, it's now I'm putting it on. I'm not gonna let. I'm not gonna put it on full contract. It's gonna be like 2 months. Uh oh. I think Tradovate's back, and it did take that gold trade. I am green on my accounts because of that gold trade. Matter of fact, it just showed up on TradingView there. You can see in at 68.3, out at, no, it still says 68.2, but that's not right. I don't know. Let's see if the chart shows it. Oh, the chart's still frozen. It acknowledged the trade happened, updated my P&L, but the chart's still frozen. You guys seeing anything different? Nice. Logic. Okay, I got movement on MNQ. I do not have movement on gold on the chart. No, I got movement on micro gold now too. Okay, for some reason my micro charts are. Oh wait, now there maybe no. Yeah. Okay, now we're getting movement on the chart, so at least on some of the charts. Gold GC still not moving, but my micros are moving. Looking at the chart, it's kind of dead there too, though. JC, it's chopping around. Goal here, the possible move up. I don't. Do I want to try to take a trade? I'm gonna take it on top step. If I take it, it's got 3 minutes on it. I'm getting ahead of myself. Yeah, I saw that on 60. Usually FOMC weeks are slow and choppy. That cannot be said for this week. Not at all. Those of you in the Northeast, big potential winter storm coming this weekend. It's still not for sure, but watching those models, they're starting to come together. If it hugs the coast, you could get something absolutely nasty. So we got NQ and gold kind of popping here.
Order submitted.
Oh. Okay, I tried to take a long and it's not showing up. So I'm going to get out. I have no idea where I'm in at. It's not showing on TradingView. I don't think it is. No.
Order canceled.
Okay, I think I closed the trade, but it's still not showing anything. I think I closed it in profit too, but I can't be sure. Yeah, it doesn't sound like fun, Paul. Trade's working too, so this is frustrating. Very frustrating. Where'd that go? 11 points up now. Oh yeah, okay, crude running. Its market opens in a few minutes. I bet you it comes down at then, but I wouldn't bet on it. I mean, I wouldn't, whatever. All right, we're just gonna go with top step until I don't know. I don't even know. I'm not sure if I wait for you guys to tell me it's working. Like you guys be the guinea pigs? No, I'm kidding. Yeah, me too. Oh, and my chart just froze again. Well, And then Q froze. Yeah. So gold's working on the charts. At least the charts are moving, but MNQ and YM not working. Oh, YM just popped back up. Maybe. Green candle sitting there. Yeah, and Q's moving again. I still don't know whether or not it's safe to trade it, though. It's been hacked? Is that TVT saying that? Hey, Ace? How you doing, Ace? Hey, RJ. Hey, Freighter. Hey, I saw you left the Discord the other day. Is everything okay, Freighter? Okay. You scared me, JJ. I was very I was ready to post that on Discord. I'm doing good, Ace. I'm doing good. Although I'm hungry.
Hey everyone! It's time to gore the like button.
Thanks, Ace. Yeah, charts are moving again. Uh, Curious, Ace. You're a NinjaTrader brokerage, right? Are you having any issues? Oh yeah, I forgot you had a TPT. Micro, use a micro to test. Hey, JJR, do you use a Dom? Hey, Robin, how you doing? Okay, so it's still not working, which means I'm stuck using topstep right now. Doing all right, although this Tradovate outage is not doing well. Well, actually, I guess it's Tradovate and NinjaTrader if well, no, that's right. Never mind. Yeah, Tradovate. Gold rejecting back down. Kind of choppy anyway.
Sure
Lowered
is choppy
interest.
today.
I mean, you're amazing, JJR. Only because I mean, I've played around with the Dom and all that, and like if I'm looking at a slower instrument, I can kind of follow it. But NQ on a Dom just makes my head spin. I'm using a Dom. It feels like I'm blindfolded and hearing a whip crack. Oh, wait a minute. That's a different kind of Dom. My cat's puke. Yes, Tradovate is down or partially down right now. Okay, my bot just took a trade and it's showing up. Took a trade on gold. Oh, never mind. Well, oh, okay. That's why. Uh, I have one. I accidentally signed up for Rhythmic on one Apex account. That one's working. It took that short on gold with the bot. Hopefully, it didn't take it on Tradovate because I did have that on the copier. That's not good. I mean, it's good that it's a work. The trade's working. Or it was until this bounced. Oh, there it goes. Yay.
Target filled.
And it hit the target. Whoa. Okay, so if it did end up taking that trade with the copier, then we'll see if that ends up showing up later and ended up being a good trade. Yeah, better just to wait, Tris. Hey, John. How are you? You're here. Are you home again today? Ooh, nice bounce on then. I'm a gold, 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 gold. Interesting. I'm not seeing any props make announcements. Oh, okay. Tell the cows I said hi. Oh, guys, I have a favor to ask. If you get the MightyOxTrading daily email, can you go in and look to see whether or not it's still going into your promotions tab or if it started being filtered into your spam folder? And if it's been filtered into your spam folder, could you please go in and select not spam or whatever? For some reason, it started filtering into spam for some people. It's actually done at the CFT's email newsletter as well. I noticed CFTs in my spam folder. At first, I kind of chuckled, and then I was told that same thing's happening to mine. Yeah, I hope they do fix that for you, JJR. Yeah, it's the same thing. My charts are moving. At least some of my charts are moving, but I'm not really seeing. Of course, I also don't know if because I'm connected to three Tradovates and a Rhythmic. I don't know if my connection to the Rhythmic is causing any of the charts to move. I don't know how that works. Gold's popping. Hopping, stopping, popping like a rabbit. And Q's still heading down. All day on NQ's all the way down at 111. Kind of mid-ish range. About 100 points from what the overnight high was. I guess that's not really mid, but it's close. Well, let me know if you take a trade, Bison, because right now I'm a little bit scared. Although the bot's still active, so I guess if the bot gets a signal, it'll be my guinea pig. Perhaps I should guinea pig it before the bot does that, now that I think about that. Yeah, I should have done that. Instead, I got myself in trouble with trying to pick a short. Okay, we just saw something from Lucid. Says hold on. Looks like Tradovate data is back online. They say if you blew an account between now and the start of the outage, do not reset or delete the account from your dashboard. That's from Lucid. I have not seen an acknowledgement for any other prob, but I have a lot of them. A lot of their Discords silent. So. So, shall we play a game? Yep, I don't know. I look frozen again. Oh, my micro gold chart was frozen. It is. I'm gonna. I hate to do that, but I'm gonna disconnect and reconnect everything. Okay. Uh, I think it's working, but I can't tell. I do not have. I do not have moving data on gold. I do on NQ. I just took a $63 win on all of my topstep fundeds on the topstep. Yeah, all 5 accounts. So it looks like I can't trade gold. Is anybody else seeing gold? Anything besides NQ moving? I think I got that. I think YM's moving. Yeah, I see YM moving. No, gold is frozen. Yeah, I got bid ask data on CBOT and CME, but COMEX seems down. And I got it on CL as well. Well, wait. Okay, I got GC moving now. What about MGC? Why is MGC frozen? That's odd. Actually, huh. My data's delayed on gold, or it seems to be. Like right now, gold on TradingView showing 52.58. On Ninja, it's showing 52.96. That's like two points off. It's gonna blow up my entire strategy today. So I guess we'll stick with NQ for now. Possible bounce here as we head toward the bell. Ace, you having bus problems again today? So they're getting a blue candle there on NQ, but we're heading into the possible 5-minute till algo. So I don't know if I want to trust that. I guess I could take it on 1 micro. This morning was more hectic than it needed to be. What account are we on here? 21. Okay, good. Gold heading up nicely. Could have held that for much more, but happy there. NQ giving back on that candle now. Uh-oh. Tradovate data might have froze again. YM, big pop. So I guess we're a top step today. Really nice pop here on NQ, 21 points. Can't do anything with it, but very nice pop. Tradovate just posted if you're having problems with Tradovate, please refresh the page. Well, how about for those of us that don't actually use a page? I don't think refreshing a page is going to do anything because it's happening everywhere. Eddie, I don't think doing a CAT scan is going to help. No desk. Come on. We're doing this 10 times a day. Is the only way to keep you off my desk is to keep my desk messy? Oh, USC. Hey, Tradovate is down again. Not the charts stopped moving once again. Blue candle coming here on gold. I'm not going to take it. The bot's going to take it, but I'm not going to take it. NT Rhythmic, USC? Are you on Rhythmic or are you on Tradovate? Oh, NT as in your brokerage. That's right. Not sure about that. Ace was saying oh, that's right. Yeah, it does seem to be Tradovate and not NinjaTrader, which is interesting since they own both. Yeah, gold's breaking a lot of things. I think somebody else took it up to 6,000 yesterday too. I can't remember who though. Maybe it was Deutsch. I don't know. Oh, gold rejected down there.
Two minutes till the bell.
You know, Eddie, if you're gonna sit there, you could at least hit the Stream Deck buttons for me. Be nice to have a producer. How's the bus today, Ace? Somewhere Michael Patak is laughing. My charts are TradingView, not Tradovate. Well, ES popped, NQ did not. Dow popped. Russell popped. But yeah, I pay for data on TradingView for futures just so I have a backup data, or like sometimes in the weekend when they're all down and I still want data just to for whatever. So I pay that $7 a month or whatever it is. Eddie, why are you being clingy? Gold's heading down. AQ's heading up. I got a cat on my belly. Dude, can you not see I'm trying to train?
Connection lost.
Yep, that. I'm not sure what that sound was. But Tradeify just acknowledged more issues with Tradovate. Nice move up here now. Following ES is NQ. Excuse me. Watch out. The candle right now on NQ is just doji. Huge doji. Gold try to bounce. Took a long on top step on gold. Oh, it burst up and came right back down. All right. out of that trade, in at 52.58.2, out at 52.63.0. So that was a 48 point tick trade. I could have got way more. There it goes. But we're now up $175 on all 5 of my Top Step funded accounts. NQ dropping hard. Guess this is the way that they get me to trade my Top Step fundeds. Wow, okay, I could have got way more on that, but that's okay. That's okay. Just keep telling myself that's okay. Oh, sorry. Silver popping up. I think silver might have hit an all-time high again. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what all-time high is on silver, but it just hit 115.310. I'll have to look. No, it looks like that's not the all-time high on silver. It looks like silver might have hit that last night, though. Thank you, USC. And Q trying to bounce. Bitcoin coming down some. Crude oil pulled back when its market opened. Now we see Russell pulling back. That was a huge candle on gold, 18 points. Tradify says, I'm sorry. Yeah, Tradify says, Tradovate is currently experiencing intermittent market data issues. We strongly recommend not trading until we give the all clear. Yep. Apparently Tradovate was hit by this cold weather too and got frozen. One moment in time. Let it go. I actually have that song on my motivational playlist. And cue with a pop. And Q struggling with the 100 EMA on the 5. And Q continuing the push. My bot would have taken that trade. Not sure I would have wanted it to take that trade, so the bot's not working. Ace is long, yes. Yes. Gold actually gave me a signal there to go short, but I didn't take it. Bet you this is the props doing. They probably said That's Tradovate. We need to get people not to yellow FOMC. So can you have an all day outage? Dale, did you take a look at the image in the bottom left corner? And then Q comes down. Silver pulling back here too. Euro heading upwards. Ultra bond looks like a bad EKG. Big move back down on NQ. Wow. NES. And not the Dow, though. Did you get anything from that long ace? Okay, good. Glad you got it. Oh yeah, I forgot about the Bank of Canada. We do have a Trump and Bessent speech coming up. Tentative, it says on the news. Remember when you're sitting on your hands, Ace? Not the fart. This is what happens when people can't trade. Oh, I got chart movement. That's right, you are on an exercise ball. Don't know how you do that. AQ climbing back up. We're choppy with big candles so far. Gold coming back down. I don't know if we can trust it or not. Depending how this candle ends here in the next 90 seconds, I might take one micro and see what happens on one account. I don't eat any fiber. It's actually going to be a blue candle. No, maybe not. It's trying to be. It's aspiring to be a blue candle. Okay, guys, 5 seconds. Here goes nothing.
Order submitted.
Not. It's not. The order is not showing on my chart, and it is not showing in my P&L. So no, do not trade yet. Let me make sure it's not showing on my P&L. No, not showing on my P&L. It's showing on Tradovate. I mean, TradingView. I'm sorry. It's not. Nope. Not showing anywhere. So I'm in a ghost trade on MNQ with just one contract. And we'll see if anything happens. Gold trying to push up. If I try to do push-ups, it never works out. Man, that sucks, JJR. I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, it just froze again. So not all now the chart's not moving again. Look at gold go up to 52.80. Trump and percent talking. Supposedly, it says tentative, so maybe not. Oh, I'm going to take a stop there. I don't know if it's going to stop me or not. I think it should have already stopped me, actually. Let's see what happens if I hit flat. Well, it's popping back up, so if I'm still in, we'll see what happens. It's one micro on one account. There's gold going. Okay, gold going. I should have taken that blue candle. I should just take everything that looks like it's going to go up on gold because it always goes up lately.
Order canceled.
Well, it's still acknowledging me hitting close, so I don't know. No idea. It's weird. Yawning. Sorry. Not seeing any headlines, so I don't know if Trump and DeSantis are still going to talk or not. Gold is going to the moon. I mean, this for me, this action it's horrible to trade anyway on NQ. I'm sure it looks better on the 1 minute chart actually. So let's look at it on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, ugh. A nice move down, but right there that would have been good. Yeah, so today would have been a 1 minute kind of day. There's no way to know that ahead of time though. Whoa! That's a gold whoosh. Holy hell. Something just happened. Still going, down 51 points, 55 points. Silver the same. He says U.S. checkers are checking up. Percent says the U.S. always has had a strong dollar policy. Strong dollar means setting right fundamentals. Wish I would have seen that coming before. Again, guys, if you guys get the MightyOxTrading daily email, can you please check to see if it's going in your spam folder? And if it is, can you please click not spam? Metals are trying to pop back up. Yet Financial Juice is claiming the strong dollar policy comment from percent is what's saying gold flying down. Dollar index shot up. Just once I want to be on the right side of one of those moves. I mean, I wasn't on the wrong side, but I'll just love to have a move like that hit where I didn't have a target in place. At this point, I honestly can't say I've really missed any trades. I mean, this gold trade right here on this bounce up, but I'm not sure I would have trusted that anyway. Now the blue candle bounce on NQ. It's an interesting one. Hey, MR. Oh, I got chart movement again on Tradovate. Thank you, MR. Whether or not trades work, I don't know. That one I did take still hasn't really shown up. And look to see whether or not it's even the right price. 238. Yeah, it seems to be the right price. And let's for kicks and giggles. We're gonna take a long. Nope, still not showing up. Trades still aren't showing up on the chart or in the P&L. Gold heading up. That trade still has not shown up. Gold trying to head right back up to where it was. Tradovate. This is a long outage for Tradovate. Usually their outages are only a few minutes. I think we're going on over an hour now. Crude oil inventories coming up. Hit the close.
Order canceled. The armadillo's been there the entire time. Which is probably not something anyone's ever expected to hear me say on this live stream. You should have seen some of the weird stuff it gave me when I put in that prompt. See you, JJR. Have yourself a good day, man. Sorry that things didn't work out the way they should have today. Russell, the Dow popped up a little bit here. Crude oil inventories, Ace. And the chart's frozen again. Let it go. Let it go. Just in this blue candle, it'll take it on top step if it stays. Chart's moving again.
That blue candle turned red. More wick than body on this blue candle. Now it's getting to be about even. Where's my top step chart? There it is. Let's turn down the heat on that one a little bit. We'll do 2 contracts of it. Oh yeah, there's a nice blue candle. And took the long on top step on 2 micros. Entry 5267.5. No idea what I want the target to be. It set the target at 78. That seems a little excessive. It's not working. The bot would have taken this trade, but would have had an ATR. It would have put the stop all the way down at 52. Right now, I have the stop at, well, 53. So, okay. Well, no, wait. I don't know. Well, I'm confused. Yeah. There we go. It's starting to get momentum upwards. There we go. Yeah, maybe I should have taken profit there. Pulls back. Oh, no, there we go. Come on. Stuck there at 71. Comes down. Come on. Ah. Back to my entry. Seems to be struggling to move up. And now it's a red trade. I don't believe it. Come on back for me. There we go. Wow, listen to me. $90 on this 5-minute candle. That's red again. Green again. It's a stoplight. Took it off for a $40 trade. We're up $203 today on all 5 topstep accounts. When I see it constantly butting its head like that and coming back down, it tells me it does not want to continue up. Now, it might. And it might after the candle closes here. And I'm probably going to say I should have been more patient with it. Got out at 69.9. So that'll be our reference point. I'm not sure why that the Rhythmic, because the charts are messed up. That's why. Rhythmic bot should have taken this trade too. And it didn't because the charts are messed up. If the bot had taken this trade, hold on, it would have went for 14 points. So it would have been in at approximately 66.5, and that means it would have went for like 80.5. So let's see if it gets up there. And as you can see, this is about well above my where I got out. I gotta learn to just hold and be patient. Look at this go now. Damn it. I would have got my full profit there. Let's see if the bot would have got its profit as well. It needs 80. It's at 74 right now. Look at it go. I gotta just take trades and leave my hands off once I do. Charts are moving again on the Tradovate. As NQ continues to push down. NQ's nearing low day. Low day 111, it's down to 198. So far, this would not have gotten to the bot's target, but it would have gotten darn close. I have thought about just making the bot's target a straight 5 points. So it'd be $50 per micro or $500 per mini. But I haven't tested that to see whether or not that would be good or bad. Red, green, or Tradovate kicked you in the spleen?
Uh-oh. Bot just took a trade, but I don't see it. That's not good. I think it took a trade on NQ. Granted, it's only one NQ, one MNQ, but not being able to see it still doesn't make me feel good. Maybe, but it was a purple candle on NQs, so I'm pretty sure it took a trade. But we'll never know. All right, I think I could hit close, and I don't even know. If it's going, it's working. Same bat time, or same ox time, same ox channel. So the bot will be going for 31 points here. It's gone about 15. So the bot would have been smarter than I was. Although the bot would have took the candle 5 candles ago too. So the bot would be working well today if the bot could have been working today. I'm going to hit close and see what happens. Nothing. There we go. I hit flat and all on the replicanto itself. And I think that flattened it.
So far, the bot would not have gotten its target on gold. But let's look at what the bot would have done today. So let's look at NQ first. You can see it's been ugly today. So let's see, where did the stream start? There. So it would have taken this one and stopped out. Then it would have taken this one. That would have been a winner. Looks like it would have taken that one, and that one would have been a loss. Then it would have taken these, and these would have been losses. This would have been bad. And the goal is to not let it get in the chop. That is chop. Anything where it constantly touches the 9 is chop. So that's where I need to intervene. Then this would have been a trade, and it might have still been in this trade when this one happened, so it wouldn't have taken it again. I don't have the confidence in that working out. So let's look at gold. Let's see, bot. Nope. I mean, bot would have taken that trade if the bot was on. The stream started here, so it would have taken this short. That's actually the one I took. It took it too. That's where we started having the Tradovate issues, right there. Would have taken this one and would have got target, I think. 84. Yeah, would have gotten target. Would have taken this one. Did it go 9? 54 down to 40. Yeah, it would have gotten target. So the bot on gold and here it would have went for 10. Did it get 10? 80 to 90. Yeah. So the bot up to this point went 4 for 4. It would have taken this purple candle, and that of course would have been a stop out. And then it would have taken this blue, not reached that target. Now it's pulling back, so it's probably would have stopped out. That's why I'm thinking maybe a smaller target, like there it would have been looking for 15 points. So the entry would have been 69, 79, 84 even. So I was even wrong on how, and but it would have gotten 10. It would have got 13. So, maybe it needs a slightly smaller target, but yet then it was, if at 5 points would have limited all of these. So I don't know. I need to figure that one out. Or, I say I should manage it, but my tendency to manage these things tends to get them out too early. Wonder if there's a way to set it for like 75% of ATR. I mean, the other thought is a trailing stop as well. Once it hits, say 5, or 7 or something like that, put the stop at break even, and then for every point it moves a point in the profit until it hits either the profit target or it pulls back. That's an idea as well. So reminder about FOMC later today. If Tradovate's even back by then. I mean, we have red mix if we want to YOLO. My goal was first of all, my goal today was to have gold on 3 micros on the bot, which is, I've been running 1 micro. So, and you can see what it would have done on the bot today. 3 micros, 10 points, which is what some of those trades were. 9 points, 9 points, 10 points. So 270, and 300. So it would be up over $1,000 on 3 micros today if it had let me trade.
Charts are still moving so long as they've stayed unfrozen. Gold down to the 9, trying to bounce. NQ continues down, so the purple candle there is working. Oh, we've reached the end of our time together today. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Ended up being a pretty crappy day because of Tradovate, but did well on topstep. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Remember, FOMC later today. Be careful if we can even trade it at the time. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye,